with me. One more pull. Knot it tight.
Come on, you lot. Hut. Inside, go on. Storm's rolling in fast. Move your hoofs. That's it, good girls. In you go. Keep it moving. Don't dawdle, Patch. Inside now. All right. Safe and sound. Go.
Stay put. There. One more. Hold you steady. Storm's coming fast. That ought to do it.
Easy now. There we go. You see it coming. Inside. Storm's coming quick. You two, little one. Here we are. That's you. Go on. Good girl. Alright. Safe for the night.
Water's clear enough. The channel's running quick. If it keeps, the fields won't flood.
Clouds say otherwise.
We'll hold it. Just a bit more clearing.
Storm's rolling in fast. Easy now. Hold still. Wind's picking up again. Not today, you're staying put. That'll do. Let's be on our way. That should hold. Let it blow.
Come on, stay with me. There. Got you. Almost done. Almost. Last one. Inside. Storm's coming quick.
There's the leak, right along the seam. Thunder rolling in. We don't have long. I'm on it. Come on, tighten in. That should hold. For now.
Easy, boy. Yeah, I've got you. Just the wind, that's all. Nothing out here but us. Look at me. You're all right. Breathe with me. Good dog. We'll ride it out together. Storm's rolling past already. That's it. Stay with me.
Hold together, old girl. Just a little longer. That'll do. Storm's coming fast. Easy, girl.
I got him, see? Just a little wet. Storm caught us out. It's all right. He's all right. You check him over while I get a towel, huh? Stay with him.
Storm's brewing faster than the elders said. Sky can't decide if it means us harm or mercy. Best keep watching.
Hold together now.
Don't you go spilling. Storm's right on top of us. Last one, then we're out.
There we go.
Keep moving! Watch the edge! Steady, old girl, steady! Come on, up now! Storm's close behind us!
Oh, it's clearing.
Finally.
Everything made it through.
Looks like we did too.